Hello, students of 10th standard. Welcome to the English grammar class. Today, let's learn about syllables. What is a syllable? A syllable is a complete word or a part of a word with one vowel sound. In short, I would say it is the length of the word. Now, we know that syllable deals with the vowel sounds. To begin with, all of us know the vowels of the English alphabets. Yes, it is A, E, I, O, U. But here, there is a difference between vowels and vowel sounds. Here are a few examples where the vowels starts in the beginning, middle and end. Eat, eagle, ink, art, all, ice. Here the vowel sounds in the beginning. Next, let's see how the vowel sounds occur in the middle of the word. Seen, ee, meat, leg, man, call, mind, bus, pouch, should, full. In all these words, vowel sounds occurs in the middle of a word. Now let's see how the vowel sounds occurs at the end of the word. Fear, she, joy, day, shoe, zoo, now, ha. Sometimes even Y is considered because we pronounce Y, though it ends in the last, we pronounce it as A or E. Now, let's analyze the number of syllables by breaking the words and pronouncing. While we pronounce, we break the word. Where we stop or break the word, that is counted as a syllables. Cat. Here, number of vowel is 1 and vowel sound is also 1. Therefore, 1 syllable. Here the vowel is a and the pronunciation cat. Only 1 vowel sound. Therefore, it is a 1 syllable. Dog, 1 syllable. Spy, Y is pronounced it as I. Snake, 1 syllable. Though Y is not a vowel, yet it as a vowel sound as I, spy. So it is considered to be 1 syllable. Likewise, frog, boat, cry, string, night, cap, splash, glide, fast. All these words are of 1 syllable because we don't break the word while uttering or pronouncing the word. Now let's see to this syllable, 2 syllables. Hungry. We break the word hungry. 2 syllable. Power. Power. Employ. Employ. College. College. Person. Person. Breakfast. Breakfast. Racket. Racket. Apple. Apple. So there are 2 syllables here. We break the word into 2. Now, just see how I break the words. It's considered to be the 3 syllables. Beautiful. It is beautiful. 3 syllables. Though we can count how many vowels are there. E, A, U, I, U. There are 5 vowels, but vowel sound is only 3. Therefore, 3 syllables. Beau, B-E-A-U. Together we pronounce it as beau. U, only one U sound. T and full. So, beautiful, 3 syllables. Elephant, elephant, elephant. Butterfly, butterfly. Ladybug, bug. Cylinder, cylinder, 3 syllable. Now we are going to see the words of 4 syllables. Adorable, adorable, adorable. You can see the words breaking. Adorable, adorable. So 4 syllables. Information, information, 4 syllable. Salamander, 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 4 syllable. Institution, institution, institution. Invitation, invitation, invitation. So these are the words which contains 4 syllables. Sometimes there will be more vowels, but the vowel sounds will be lesser. For syllables, we take count of vowel sound, not the vowels. Sometimes less vowels, but the vowel sounds will be more. So then again, according to the vowel sound, we take into consideration the syllables. Next, we will see the 5 syllables, means the 5 vowel sounds. Example, disability. I'll break the words. Disability. Disability. 5. So here there are 5 vowel sounds. Therefore, 5 syllable. Preliminary. 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 5 syllables. Negotiation. 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 5 syllable. Imagination. Imagination. 5 syllable. Immediately. 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 These words contain 5 vowel sounds, therefore it is of the 5 syllables. I hope to some extent you would have understood. Please break and pronounce the word to find the number of syllables. Here I have given you only 5 syllables. There can be even more. As the length of the word, the syllable also increases. Here below assignment follows. Please write the word and number the syllables. As you write, you pronounce the word, and therefore you will get the number of syllables. These words, I'll type it and send it below, but I will not pronounce it. Since it is you have to pronounce and find the number of syllables. Thank you all.